Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect Instagram to Claude AI. To do this, keep in mind that we won't be able to do it in an integrated or direct way within the Claude platform itself. Therefore, what we'll need to do is use other external applications to make this work. In this example, I'm going to demonstrate a bit how this would look. First, let's go into Claude and head over to the connectors section. If we look here under the connectors, we are going to search for the section to manage them. And if we click on add and go to the connector section, we'll look for Instagram, for example. If we type this in, we'll see that we won't directly have the app, but we will have the Windsor AI one. So let's go into Windsor and we'll see this page right there. Click on start for free, and here we'll have our Windsor area where we need to sign up. So we'll have to do that. In this case, I'm going to choose sign up with Google to make it a little bit easier for this video. As you can see, in this case, we're already inside the application. What we are going to do is click here, and as you can see, all the tools are hyperlinked. We will choose the Instagram public. And here, it will ask us to connect our Instagram account. So let's click where it says connect. As you can see, it's going to ask us to log in with their Instagram account. In this case, we'll do it through Facebook. So given that, we need to use the meta area. So once we do all this, we'll just need to connect and configure this entire section here. Then we will head back to Claude and search for Windsor AI. Here, click on the button that says connect, and once that's done, it will open up already to the Windsor area where we click on the allow access button. After that, we will complete the connection process between Instagram and Claude.